Instagram is paying people thousands of dollars to create Reels, and you could be one of them. You can earn $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month by creating Reels. It's all possible through Instagram's Reels bonus program. In fact, they're planning to invest over $1 billion into creator-driven programs throughout 2022. Let's talk about how you can get a slice of that billion-dollar pie. Payout happens on Reels that get at least 1,000 views over 30 days. So it's pretty attainable and definitely worth your time. It is currently US based and invite only, but Instagram did state that they're looking to expand the program globally in 2022. So if you're not in the US, just sit tight. And accepting the invite is super easy. All you have to do is check your professional dashboard on Instagram to see whether you have the bonus available to you, or if you need to check back another day. When you do get the invite, here's a few important things to note. 1. You'll have 30 days to earn your bonus once you hit the Get Started button. 2. There's no limit on how many Reels you can post within the month, so you can post as many Reels as you like to count towards your bonus earnings. 3. The bonus has been expanded to Facebook Reels as well, but if you're thinking hitting the Share to Facebook button on your Instagram Reels is a sneaky way to double up your views, it unfortunately won't work. You'll need to separately upload the video to Facebook Reels within Facebook. And one last important tip, don't forget to select the Reels Play bonus button before you create your reel. If you forget, you'll have up to 24 hours to go back and make that selection. So, if you're like, great, let's do this thing, we'll link some Reels hacks to help you level up your content to get those views and to get that green. Okay, I'm fine, I'm having a great day. Share this video if you learned something new today or have a creator in mind who could benefit from the Reels bonus program. See you later.